Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can link your WhatsApp messenger to another phone. On the new phone, download and install WhatsApp app from your device app store. Click on agree and continue. Do not enter any phone number. Click on the three dots at the upper right hand side and click on link as companion device and wait for it to generate a QR code. On your primary phone, you want to link to another phone. Also click at the three line and click on link device. Then click here use data. Verify your identity by unlocking with your fingerprint. Then scan the QR code. Wait for the data to finish transferring. That's it. Whatever messages or WhatsApp call you receive on the other phone, you also get it on this phone. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.